going to be talking about a football platform I discovered. Now, this platform is doing something very unique. I'm going to drop the link in the video description or the pinned comment down below just in case you want to try it out. It's a football platform that gives you a new and easy way to join football games. Now, this platform uses a special system called reverse score, and the rules are simple. You don't need to make difficult football predictions. All you need to do is to just follow the simple rules and you are good to go. Alright, so here is how the reverse score works, and this is very easy and straightforward. Unlike other football platforms, on this one you don't need to choose what you think will be the outcome of a game, but instead you choose the score you think will not happen in the game, and if that score doesn't happen in the game, you win. So this is a reverse score prediction. So in simple words, wrong score means you win. For example, let's say you choose 2-1 on a particular game. If the final score after the game is 1-0, 2-0, 3-1, 4-0 or any other result, you win. The only time you lose is when the game ends with 2-1, because your prediction was not for this to happen in the game. So that is how it works. The rules are very simple and straightforward. Now, another option is the 4-4 stable mode. So instead of using the reverse option, you can use the 4-4 special mode, and here is how it works. If the final score of a particular game you selected on the platform is not 4-4, then you win and you get your profit added to your balance. But if the final score of the game is exactly 4-4, your money is returned to you, and that simply means your capital is protected. Another thing I love about this platform is that once you create an account as a new user, you are going to receive a welcome bonus of 60 USDT. Now, the good news is that you can use the 60 USDT to participate in games predictions, and if you win, you can actually withdraw the profits. The only thing you are not allowed to withdraw is the capital, which is the 60 USDT given to you as a welcome bonus. Another thing to keep in mind is that the $60 is a bonus that lasts for just 3 days. So make sure you go ahead and use the bonus before it expires. Another earning method is the daily check-in. So you can log in on this platform every single day and click on the daily check-in. You receive a 0.1 USDT, which in 7 days gives you 0.7 USDT. And in 2 weeks you get 1.4 USDT just by logging into the platform and participating this one simple action. And yes, you can actually withdraw it. Now, another method to earn on this platform is the referral program, and this is how it works. All you need to do is to share your referral code or your referral link to your friends. Once they sign up, fund their account and complete their first prediction, you get 1.5 USDT for referring them. Now, keep this in mind, the referral system is completely optional. So if you want to increase your earning potentials on the platform, you can actually participate in the referral program, but it is not compulsory. Another thing I'll be talking about is the VIP levels. So the VIP levels has some benefits. Number one, if you are a VIP member, you get higher profit rates and other benefits as well. Now, for full details of the benefits, simply go ahead and visit their benefits page and you see everything over there. Now, if you want to check it out, I'm going to drop the link to sign up in the video description or the pinned comments. And if you want more assistance from me, you can go ahead and contact me either on WhatsApp or Telegram, or go ahead and join my WhatsApp and my Telegram community. I will also leave the link in the video description down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.